Things you should never do in automatic transmission. I have organized the information into 3 distinct categories for your convenience. First category, driving habits you should avoid. Never shift gears while the vehicle is in motion. Always come to a complete stop before changing from drive to reverse. This prevents severe strain on important components such as the parking pawl and planetary gears. Avoid shifting into neutral while driving or coasting. Engaging neutral disengages the hydraulic pump, which means less lubrication. Additionally, it eliminates engine braking and control, creating significant risks, particularly downhill or in traffic. Do not remain in drive for extended periods when stationary. Keeping your vehicle in drive during idling situations like drive-thrus can lead to transmission overheating. Shift to park or turn off the engine if you expect to stop for a while. Always use one foot for driving. Using just one foot helps prevent the accidental application of both the brake and accelerator. This practice minimizes strain and wear on the vehicle's fluid systems. Never coast in neutral when going downhill. This practice removes engine braking, diminishes control, and increases brake wear. Don't rely solely on the transmission to stop your car. Always engage the brakes. The park mechanism is not meant to halt the vehicle, especially when moving at speed. Second category, parking and braking missteps. Don't shift into park before stopping. Engage park only once the vehicle has come to a complete halt to avoid damaging the parking pawl. Always use the parking brake. Even on flat surfaces, the parking pawl isn't fail-proof. The handbrake prevents roll and protects the transmission pawl. Finally, maintenance and care. Don't ignore transmission fluid health. Use the correct ATF type. Incorrect or lifetime fluids can degrade and cause slipping or overheating. Change fluid and filter per manufacturer guidelines, usually between 50,000 to 120,000 miles, or sooner under severe driving conditions. Don't let water or contaminants in. Compromised seals or overfilling can allow moisture into the system, leading to corrosion and shifting issues. Avoid aggressive starts, launching, or hard shifts. Revving in neutral before accelerating, and aggressive jackrabbit starts heat and stress the torque converter, and fluid shortening transmission life. I hope now you have a better understanding. See you next time.